Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. And it's been a while that we haven't made a video because we are so busy. Dawson is at school right now and we're still working, but we're just gonna give you an update with regards to selling our house, and hopefully it will go through. I mean, we already accepted the offer, but we haven't signed any contract yet.
Hopefully Zillow will be purchasing our home.
Yes, so we sold it to Zillow. They are doing contract or paperwork, and they're supposed to send us the documents for us to sign, and hopefully that's it. And we are supposedly leaving the house in December, right? 90 days after signing the contract. So we're still gonna be in our house until December. And right now, as you can see, we are in our pickup truck. It's been a while also that I haven't ride this truck. We're going to Pahrump in our land property because we are also trying to sell that land, and we are gonna put a sign, you know, for sale. So, well, check it out. Just check it out. And if you guys are interested in buying a land in Pahrump, we're selling our land. It's 2.3 acres. It's level. It's very clean. I can say it's clean, and it already have a an electric service. What else, babe? Septic tank.
It's got a 400 amp electric service.
Yeah, it has a 400 amp electric service,
which is 320 amp continuous.
Yeah, you heard that one. It's 320 amp continuous. What else? It has a
system.
Yeah, septic system. It's 1500 gallon, right?
Yeah, that's what you said. I can't remember.
Yeah, it's 1500 gallon septic tank system. It also have a well in there, but we're still gonna put a well pump.
Yeah.
What else, babe? We're gonna build a shed, a 10 by 19 shed, which will house the well and the well pump. At the same time, you can use it as a storage. Yes. And also, our fifth wheel trailer will be included in the price, right?
Yeah.
Of the selling price.
It needs a little work, but you know, we'll do what we can.
Yes, so we'll do what we can to make the trailer, you know, comfortable, livable. But as of now, it's already livable. Like I said, you know, there's electric in there. There's soon water because we're gonna put well pump, and there's septic. So all your utility needs are already in there. And what else? Oh, we're selling it for right now 150,000. What else, babe? What else in the information? And if you guys are interested, please comment down below and we'll get back to you. So this is our land, guys, the 2.3 acres land. As you can see, it's pretty much level. It is really level. And like we said, it's ready to build. I'm gonna insert some pictures of the trailer, the electric service, the septic tank, and the well as well. If you can see the post right there, the first post behind the trailer, that's the boundary of the land. That post right there, That's the boundary of the land across to the fence of our neighbor, and it goes all the way to the front. So by the way, it's a paved road. Oh my god, we're back in Vegas, guys, and it's pouring like crazy here. It's raining.
Yeah, I gotta go for much
Yeah.
thing I can't see.
I don't know if you can see it. And we have to pick up Kuya because they have to go home early because the air conditioning in their classrooms or in the whole campus is out. So it's broken. I don't know when are they gonna, well, thank God today is Friday and they don't have class on Monday. So
Why?
they have meeting with the staff.
You sure?
Yes, they have it every month. So there's no class Saturday, Sunday, and Monday
Better
for
double check.
Kuya.
It says no school.
No school Monday because it's a school developmental staff developmental meeting, something like that. Even in October there's one also. I think it's once a month. So yeah, and it's, what time is it? 1:54. So we're gonna pick up Kuya first in his school. We're gonna pick up my medicine cream for my face, and then we're gonna pick up Filipino food. Oh my god, it's really like, it's so cloudy. Look at that.
Man, oh man.
It's been 3 days since I've seen you.
It's very rare to rain here in Las Vegas. So for how many, maybe for 2 months, babe,
Yeah.
this is the only day that it rains. I like it. I like it when it rains. But we hope it's not raining in Pahrump because his project that he did, the concrete won't dry. Addy! Hey baby! Say hi guys! We're gonna pick up Kuya. And then we're gonna pick up Filipino food. Yes? Yeah. Yeah, Filipino food. You wanna eat sisig?
It's been 3 days since I've seen you, and I just can't forget, girl, gets worse. I spend all night trying to feel good, trying to forget about you. I can't forget about